Welcome back to Stacy's So and So. Now, normally I would have my regular weekly long form video up by now. I had started filming it and then I came across another little bit of inspiration, and I'm going to have to go back and refilm, which is what I am working on today. But let me tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing, and I promise I will have that video up next week. So as a little hint, let's just get ready to make some stuff for Valentine's Day. So what are we doing, you might ask? Well, we are going to be making quilted hearts. Last year, I did this sweatshirt. Let me pull this up so you can see. I did quilted hearts. And I love this sweatshirt. I actually have worn it outside of Valentine's Day just because I happen to like hearts. But as opposed to just putting them on a sweatshirt, we're going to talk about some other ways to use quilted hearts for decor, but also as sewing for community service. As I was starting to, sorry if you heard that, that's Ernie. Hi, buddy. Anyway, as I was working on the video, I was doom scrolling on my phone one night and came across a creator that I follow, and she has a group of women together and they are making quilted hearts as a community service project. So I've decided to go back and refilm my video, and I'm about halfway done with it, so it should be out next week. Hold on, I'm sorry. Hold on. Hi. Apparently Ernie decided to be a part of this video, which, you know, we're all happy to see him. He is doing well. He had a great holiday, didn't you? I know. So, give me a minute and we'll finish this video. You're not helping. You're not helping. Oh, sorry about that. But he's still here, but at least I got him to sit. Anyway, I am going to be sharing some information on sewing quilted hearts, not just for decor and not how to add to a sweatshirt, but also for community service. And it's a wonderful project. It's not something I had ever heard of before, so I'm really excited to be able to share that with you. So, between now and next week, make sure you pull out all of your red, pink, Valentine's Day related fabric, or even not. It doesn't even have to be, you know, strictly Valentine's Day colors. And grab yourself some batting for quilting, or I will tell you right now, last year when I made my sweatshirt, I didn't have any, and I used felt instead. So if you know you have some felt in your stash somewhere, go ahead, pull that out. Also pull out any kind of embellishments that you might want to add to the hearts, like if you have, you know, colorful or decorative buttons or charms. You're also going to want to grab some ribbon, baker's twine, or maybe even like some of the raffia twine. Something fun. Think about how you like to decorate and embellish things. Little pom-poms would be cute to add. So start thinking in terms of how you would want to decorate a heart. Meet me next week and I will take you through the process of how to make these quilted hearts and find just different ways to use them. So thank you for being here again this week. I apologize, but I think by finding this extra information to add will make the video even better. So until I see you next week, thank you guys so much for being a part of my community. I love all of you. I love all of your comments, and it just warms my heart. So until next week, happy sewing.